Hey everyone. So, I just turned 29. Feels like yesterday I was graduating college, figuring out what I wanted to do with my life. I spent a good chunk of my 20s doing just that, figuring it out the hard way. Your 20s are a mix of freedom and uncertainty. You're making your own decisions, but it can feel like everyone else has it figured out, except you. If you're in your 20s right now, this video is for you. Think of it as a cheat sheet from your older, slightly wiser self. I'm gonna break down the biggest lessons I learned, the things I wish someone had told me. Keep watching. Experiences are amazing. Trips, nights out, concerts, you name it. I spent so much of my 20s chasing memories, and those memories, they're priceless. But there was one major problem. I wasn't building anything for my future. Your 20s can either be a time to build a safety net for the years ahead, or just a string of memories that fade with time. I was so caught up in the moment, in the you only live once mentality, that I forgot about the future. And the future? It sneaks up on you fast. I'm not saying don't travel, don't have fun, don't chase those experiences. Do it. But while you're at it, think about building something tangible alongside those memories. Start a side hustle, invest in your education, learn a new skill, something that will pay dividends down the line. Experiences make for great stories, but assets give you options. Options to take risks, change careers, weather the storms that life throws your way. Your future self will thank you. There is no perfect career. I was obsessed with finding the one, the career that would make everything click. I read all the books, took all the tests, drove myself crazy. Career paths are rarely straightforward and they evolve. Most people are just figuring it out as they go. Be open to new opportunities, willing to learn and adapt. Take a chance on something that scares you a little. You never know where it might lead you. It's okay to change your mind. Keep learning, growing, and moving forward. Real talk, not knowing how to handle money was probably my biggest regret. When I got my first real paycheck, I felt like I was rolling in it. I spent half of it on things I barely remember now. Clothes, gadgets, eating out, you name it, I probably blew money on it. And the other half? Well, I could have invested, but I didn't even know where to start. I had this idea that investing was for rich people, for people who wore suits and carried briefcases. I didn't realize that even small, consistent investments could add up over time. And let me tell you, that's a mistake I'm paying for now. Look, I know talking about finances can be boring, intimidating even, but trust me, it's crucial. Take the time to educate yourself. There are tons of resources out there, books, podcasts, websites that break down financial concepts in a way that's easy to understand. Learn about budgeting, saving, investing, figure out how to manage debt, build credit, plan for the future. The sooner you start, the more time you have to let compound interest work its magic. This is something people rarely talk about until it's a problem. But your health is the foundation of everything. In my 20s, I felt invincible. I wasn't thinking about long-term health. I was burning the candle at both ends, fueled by caffeine and late-night takeout. Exercise? What's exercise? Sleep. Who needs sleep? But trust me, Every habit you build now affects the quality of your life later. Those late nights catch up to you. That junk food starts to show. And suddenly, you're dealing with health issues you never thought you'd have to worry about. I'm not saying you have to become a health nut overnight. Start small. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Go for a walk. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. And for the love of all that is good, get some sleep. I know, easier said than done when you're trying to conquer the world. But trust me, your body and mind will thank you. Taking care of your physical and mental health isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. One of the most valuable things I've learned, it's not about who you know, it's about who actually cares. Networking is great, don't get me wrong, but meaningful relationships are what count. The people who will stick with you through ups and downs, who will challenge you and support you. Those are the ones that matter. I spent so much time trying to impress people, trying to climb the social ladder, that I neglected the relationships that truly mattered. I was all about collecting contacts, not cultivating connections. But here's the thing, real relationships, they take time, they take effort, they take vulnerability. You have to be willing to let people in, to show them who you really are, flaws and all. And you have to be willing to do the same for them. Because at the end of the day, it's the people in your life that make the journey worth it. If you're in your 20s, make these years count. Don't let fear or the idea of having fun while you're young distract you from building a strong future. Go out there, experience life, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. And remember, it's never too late to start. You don't have to have it all figured out right now. Just take that first step, no matter how small. If you found any of this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs it. Thanks for watching, and remember,